You've made a decision you regretted before you even finished making it. You've misread someone completely, someone you thought you knew. You've felt something you couldn't explain and told yourself it made no sense. It made perfect sense. You just didn't have the framework to see it. Here's what nobody tells you about the human mind. It doesn't run on logic. It doesn't run on willpower. It doesn't even run on what you consciously believe. It runs on patterns. Patterns built from things that happened before you were old enough to question them. Patterns reinforced by a world that benefits from you not examining them. Patterns so deeply embedded that most people go their entire lives without ever seeing them. And those patterns are making your decisions, shaping your relationships, defining what you think is possible for you. Not you, the pattern. The Pattern Break is a deep dive into the psychology and philosophy behind human behavior. Not surface level, not motivational, not telling you to think positive and try harder. We go into the actual mechanism why your brain creates blind spots you can't see, why your emotions fire before your logic can catch up, why the story you tell about yourself is the most convincing lie you'll ever hear, and why the gap between who you are and who you could be is almost never about effort. One idea, explored properly, every video. This channel is for people who think too much and still feel like they're missing something. For people who've read the self-help books, understood them completely, and somehow stayed exactly the same. For people who look at their own behavior and think, why do I keep doing this? If that's you, you don't have a discipline problem. You have a pattern you haven't named yet. That's what we're here for. And if you want to know where to start, the first video is linked right below this one. Mind, behavior, the patterns that define you.